Afternoon guys, you're back with Keep It Wheel and we're in the garage again doing a bit more maintenance on the GSX 1400. Today we're going to be synchronizing the injectors. As you can see already, we've got the side panels off. What we're going to do next is just unbolt the tank, leave all the fuel pipe connected, and you can actually get away with either propping it up or turning it to the side and just pad out this framing so you don't scratch it and whatnot. But we've opted for the prop it up, made a little prop, and then we'll show you how to synchronize the injectors. Stay tuned guys. There you see I've got the tank propped up, makeshift prop. Just unbolted the tank at the back, slid it back into the actual tool tray, so there's nothing touching, nothing scraping. It's pretty sturdy. We don't need to connect any hoses. Right, first thing, we're going to be connecting up the actual carb tune to the injectors. I'll show you which pipes to take off, and we'll take it from there. Right, okay, get some light on the job. Right, the pipes you're going to be taking off are this one there. As you look into number 3 injector, you'll see 2 pipes. You're taking off the furthest one. This actual one there goes to air pressure sensor, which is all the way up here. What you'll be doing, you'll be leaving that one intact, and as it comes up to the actual air pressure sensor here, you just be disconnecting the actual electronics there. On the opposite side, I'll just show you around. On number 1, you've got this pipe there, and number 2 there. So you'll be connecting your gauges to those 4 points and hooking it over the handlebar. Right, okay, I've got the actual carb tune drooped over the handlebars, so she's there, and all the pipes are connected. So working from the left hand side of the unit, you've got number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Now the only one we keep connected was that one, and that goes all the way up here to the air pressure gauge, which is there. I've just disconnected off the mount. That's got that pipe connected to it there. What you need to do though is disconnect the plug, and it's a case of pushing that down and pulling that off. It's a bit difficult to do one hand, but oh, I've done it. There you go, sweet. So that's disconnected now, but the pipe's actually connected there and runs all the way down there. Like I said, the other 4 pipes are connected, so now it's a case of turning it on and seeing how far she is actually out on the gauge. Right, I hope you can hear me over the actual engine noise, but as you can see, they are well out. So what we're going to do, we're going to adjust number 1 and 2 injector, which is on the left hand side here. They must be level. And then we're going to alter 3 and 4 injector, which is on the right hand side, and they're going to level. And then we'll alter a mixture screw in between that levels the left side and the right side together. I'll show you the adjusting screws in 1 second. Right, I've turned the engine off. Now you've got 1 and 2 injectors. Now between the 2 underneath, you're not really going to be able to see it, but between those 2 carbs is a little posi-drive screwdriver, and that will adjust number 1 and 2. The same for 3 and 4. And then in the center, really deep down there, and just see if I can get the camera to it. Oh, it's not focusing on it, but there it is. Right there, there's a little adjusted screw. Can't see it? Just there, that's the one. Now that adjusts 3 and 4. That adjusts the left side to the right side. So that's your middle screw you adjust after the left and the right hand side injectors have been balanced. So as you can see from the video, it was way off. And there we go, fully adjusted. I've done the left side to the right side. What a difference. You can even hear it ticking over nice and clean. You should have the revs up to about 11 to 1200 RPM. You will actually get a fault code on the actual dash or an F1 light. That's just because we've disconnected the air sensor, but once everything's back to normal, job done. Once you've done some of the adjustment, just give the revs a quick little blip, make sure it returns back to normal, and jobs are good. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. I hope this has helped you out. Any problems with your bike, you want any advice on the actual tuning of your bike, just drop us a quick line in the comment section below. As for this one now, we're just going to put it all back together and call it a good one. So until the next time, guys, thanks for watching and keep it real.